Hello again. Okay, so for this tutorial, what I would like to do is to show you how to reuse an assignment from one class to another class if you have more than one class. Okay, so here's how it would go. You're in your classroom like this from the start. You come up here and you click classwork. So let's say this is the class, the second class that you created where you want to add the assignment you already created for another class. What I do is I click create, scroll down to reuse post, click on that. And then if it doesn't bring you right to the other class, see, these are all the classes that I'm connected with. And so let's say for this one, this is science 1 and 2. If I created the document in, let's say, pre-task social studies, that's where I want to grab the assignment from. I go into there and I click on, let's say I wanted to do the US Constitution. Okay, you highlight it. It's very slightly colored, but you do highlight it by clicking on it once, and then you have to click reuse. Okay, so now this is going to open up in your new classroom, a separate one. All right, so all the things, the title and the description and the links are recreated again for this new class. So now if you have a multiple links where you already have an assignment that's ready to go, you can just make a copy for each student for this new class. If you're not doing any kind of differentiation. But let's say you do differentiate for it, right? And you already have a separate document already created for this lower level or higher level class. You could just add it, take it from your Google Drive or from your file. So let's say you created a file on your computer or your USB that was differentiated. You would go to that file, select it, click open. It will load there. Then the next step is to click this upload button again at the bottom, and it uploads it for you. So let's say for this new assignment, it's the original reading that all classes are going to use. And then for this one, if it's a lower level class, it's just a new next attachment with maybe lower level questions or whatever the case is. And then again, you make a copy for each student just in case, so that it's all made for this new class that's separate from the original class that you created this assignment in originally. And then when you finish, make sure you have the correct topic. You put the due date, whatever else you want to put to customize for this new assignment in a different class. And then you could click assign and it's ready to go. But for this purpose, I'm not going to assign that to my class. That was just to show you. Okay, so that's how you reuse a post from one class to another class.